Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel. I'm just doing a quick video to share with you with what's been happening, as well as a quick apology. I also have a new tutorial to share with you and an Etsy update. But as you probably know, I haven't posted any videos in the last couple of weeks or so. I've just been really busy working extra longer hours where I work in an aged care facility. So I've been working early in the morning till late afternoon, and then in the time I have left and during my days off, I've been spending some quality time as a grandmother with my precious granddaughter Aria, and she's just she's turned, so she's 4 months now, and she is the most adorable, scrumptious little baby. So I always look forward to see her whenever I get the chance. So that's been keeping me busy, and I've also been helping my daughter Tiana, Aria's mum. She's my eldest daughter. She has also decided to do a little bit of crafting, and she's been making some handmade fabric pouches, and they're designed to hold your novels or your books and your Kindle, and it's just a great way to keep them protected, and they look so beautiful. And so she decided to do a market and set up a stall in one of our local markets last weekend. So if you follow me on Instagram, I did post a couple of photos when we had the markets, and she did really well, so I'm really happy for her. And if you have Instagram, I will link down below her Instagram page, and you can head over there and send her some love. I'll also link her Etsy store if you want to have a look at all of her beautiful fabric pouches that she's made. And I'll also give you a discount coupon code if you would like to purchase one of her pouches as well. So I'm really proud of her to have the hobby like I have and do some crafting. So she must have got that from me and her grandmother. So it's good to see her enjoying that, and she's also been doing a little bit of crocheting now, so that's something good to see, because I don't crochet. So that's also been keeping me busy, because I've been helping her set up a stall, and so that was for a full weekend. And also both my daughters, Tiana and Tanisha, my youngest daughter, they both have gorgeous fur baby pooches. Tiana has a cavoodle, and Tanisha has a dachshund, or you can call it a wiener or sausage dog. And so they both had them at the same time when they were puppies, and I've been also looking after them as well. So it was hard for me to get into my craft room on my day off when I've got them, because 3 dogs, including my one, is a handful. But I adore every moment with my grand fur babies, and when they come and see me, they just pounce and smother me to bits. And so yeah, so that's also been keeping me busy. We're also in the process of building our new home. Some of you probably already have been following me on my Instagram and have seen some of the photos. So I've been busy with my husband when we get the chance to go and look at some bricks and colours, tiles and flooring, and kitchen design. So I've been trying to find some time to go and do that as well. So hopefully we're moved into our new home sometime in, I'm hoping, August, and looking forward to my new craft room space to be able to get that in order. At the moment I've got just minimal stuff in this room, because it's just a rental, so I didn't want to take too much out of the boxes, so I thought I'll just work with what I have. So that is that's what's been happening in the last couple of weeks. So it's just been really busy, but I've managed to squeeze in some time to make a project, so I'm hoping to have that ready in the next video after this one, and I'll share with you what I've made, and I'll just show you what it is. It's this gorgeous side pocket pouch, and it has this flip up extra piece, and then it's got this hole that I punched out, and you just tie a string around it, and that will keep everything in place, because there's a front pocket here, so whatever you have in the front pocket will stay inside and it won't slip out. but here is a side pocket, and then there is a file tab journal, which is a great little journal for a daily journal or a weekly planner. And so this is the file tab journal, which I have made before, but I made it in a different size to fit the side pocket. And you can add your papers in there to create a journal page. I also decided to add a little journal card, or you can use this as a photo mat, and then you can document the photo. I just thought I'd throw that in there because there is a lot of space there. And I've made it so there is a wide opening in case your journal is a little bit bulkier than my one. There is room to add more pages in there, and there's room to slide that in as well. So I'm going to do the tutorial and measurements on how to make this in my next video. If you missed the video when I make it, I'll also put the link down below for the video for the project. And I'm also going to add some junk journal packs in my Etsy store. So these are just some of the fun bits that you can get in this pocket. So there is a pocket full of junk journal ephemera pieces in here. There is also some embellishments that I've made. So I've made a whole bunch of different kit packs for your junk journals. This is just one of them, so I'm hoping to be able to show you what's in store. And I've also made a few kits for these that will be in my Etsy store as well. I'm still putting them together. So they're just a couple of the fun things that I've got coming along. I also just want to make a quick apology. I've read, I know we always, you don't always get positive comments when you do videos, and I read all of the comments that under my videos, and sometimes you get a couple, I won't say they're negative comments, but they're just comments where it just, I don't know, how do I say it? I've had one comment say, oh, you like your video, but you dabble on, dribble on, you talk too much. Can we just get straight to the tutorial? Or, I don't know, someone might say, oh, you just, just taking too long. It's just little things like that. I take them and it doesn't worry me. I want to apologize if I do ramble on or I take too long fussing around talking before I get to the tutorial. I'm not a professional person in front of the camera. I'm not someone that does this full time. So I may make mistakes, or I might dribble on, because sometimes you forget what you want to say, or what your I guess what you're trying to say in front of the camera. And I don't edit my videos because I don't know how to edit. So I don't mean to take too long. I try to keep my videos as short and not too long, but I'd like to explain the project that I'm going to show you first before I do the tutorial, so that way you get an idea of what you're going to make and ideas of what you can put inside or what you can use them for. Some people watch my videos and they don't know what it is, so I just try to explain what it is, and then I'll jump into the tutorial. I try to explain it as easy and simply as possible and keep my projects as easy as I can, because not everyone probably can understand my accent, or I have subscribers from non-English speaking background countries, so I just try to keep it simple and easy to understand. If it bothers you, or if it's boring you or taking too long, you can just skip that part and get straight to the tutorial, or just scroll past my video and don't watch it, or even just unsubscribe to my channel. It really doesn't worry me. I just like to come on and just show you what I make for the crafting community, and share with you the tutorial if you would also like to make it. There are some new paper crafters that are new to paper crafting, so I like to show them the projects as well. So I just want to apologize if I do ramble on too much, or for whatever reason that may, I guess, irritate you. So I do the best I can, and So look, I'm rambling on now, so I'll just keep my mouth shut. But anyway, that is what I wanted to say. I just want to apologize if I do take a little while. I don't mean to. I just sometimes forget what I'm saying. Sometimes I even repeat myself. So yeah. But anyway, I'm going to have this tutorial in my next video after this one, so I hope you'll join me for that video. Thank you for waiting patiently for me to come back on here. I can't wait to share with you more projects, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.